Check out this Kia 2019 Niro LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission and automatic with auto-shift transmission. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.